In this video, we'll explore how to connect your data and knowledge across the organization into an agent, focusing specifically on data sources. To get started, navigate to the bottom left of your screen. Under Knowledge, select Data Sources to view the available options. You'll see we have connectors to Amazon, Azure, Google, OneDrive, SharePoint, and many other commonly used platforms. You can also connect to a public website to gather information directly from the web. In this session, we'll walk through adding our OneDrive as a data source. First, I'll enter a name in the name field. We'll align this data source with the General AI Usage project. If you have SSO set up, you can filter data based on the end user's profile, ensuring they only access what their permissions allow within the data set. Now, I'll authenticate by selecting my profile and signing in. This gives the system access to the folders we need in OneDrive. Before we move forward, I want to highlight a few ingestion options. If you're working with a variety of files like Word documents, PDFs, and Excel sheets, choose the Both functionality for comprehensive ingestion. However, if you're focusing on CSVs or Excel files, we recommend selecting Text-to-SQL for better extraction accuracy. Thanks to our proprietary processing technology, we also provide a vector database you can use by default. But if you prefer to bring your own, like Pinecone or Weaviate, you can connect them using your API key and endpoints. Once authenticated, click Next. You'll now see a list of folders available to you. I'll navigate to the sample dataset and select the key information I want to sync. You can use the header checkbox to select all files at once. After selecting your files, click Sync Files. You'll see confirmation that the data source has been successfully added. To review it, go to your project, then open Data Sources. You'll notice the files being processed or shown as pending. To manage syncing, click the three dots to the right of your data source. Now, to connect this dataset to an agent, go to Agents and open the one you'd like to work with. You'll find your data source listed on the left. Just drag and drop it onto the canvas and connect it by joining the dots. To tidy things up, use the horizontal or vertical alignment tools. And that's how you add a sample dataset into an agent. Thanks for watching.